Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the default downloads location in Google Chrome browser on any Windows machine such as Windows 11 or 10. For that, first open Chrome browser and then open a new tab and then click on this one settings menu. Here select settings option at the bottom. Then on the left side, you will find several options. Here choose this one downloads option. Here you will find the default download location. By default it will be C on your PC or in which drive you have installed your Windows. You will find it. You will put it here. Just click on this one change button. Then you can now select a particular folder or drive and then click on this one select folder. This will change the default download location on your Windows PC. From now onwards, whenever you will download any file or folder from the internet, by default, Chrome will save those files on your new selected location. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.